In this video, we will see how to determine the value of Chezy's constant. So, Chezy's constant, which is denoted by C, it is not a dimensionless coefficient. So, how to find out the dimension of C? So, we know the basic equation V velocity is equal to Chezy's constant C multiplied by square root of m into I, where m is the hydraulic mean radius or hydraulic depth. So from this equation we can write C is equal to V by square root of m into I. Here m is A by P, and if we consider that L is length, okay, and T is time, V velocity is length by time, we know that, so we can write V is equal to L by T. So I is an angle, so it doesn't have length or time dimensions, so it remains as such. Then we have P, which is the perimeter. Perimeter is a sum of lengths, so it involves a dimension for length, and area is usually expressed as square meters or square centimeters, so we know that it involves again two length dimensions, so L square. So here this equation can be simplified as L by T into square root of Li, again as square root of L into T. Here I is removed because I is dimensionless. Okay, so L raised to 1 by 2 into T raised to minus 1. So we know that the value of C depends on the system of units. Okay, so to find out the value of C, there are many empirical formulas. Let's see, the first one is Bason's formula, which is given by C is equal to 157.6 divided by 1.81 plus K by square root of M. Here K is the Bason's constant and M is the hydraulic. Next we have the Cutter formula, which is mentioned in the syllabus. The value of C using Cutter formula is C is equal to 23 plus 0.00155 divided by I, which is the slope of the bed, plus 1 by N. Here N is the roughness coefficient or the cutter's constant, and it is divided by 1 plus 23 plus 0.00155, the whole divided by I, plus N by square root of M. This is the cutter's formula. And again Manning's formula, which is given by C is equal to 1 by N into M raised to 1 by 6. Here M is the hydraulic mean depth and N is the Manning's constant, which is same as the cutter's constant. Okay, let's see a problem. Find the discharge through a rectangular channel of width 2 meters having a bed slope of 4 in 8000. Depth of flow is 1.5 meters. And take the value of N in Manning's formula as 0.012. Okay, so we have the quantities which are given in the question, that is B, which is equal to 2 meters, D, which is equal to 1.5 meters, area, which is given by B into D, since it is a rectangular channel, that is 2 into 1.5, which is 3 meters square. Wetted perimeter, we have discussed this earlier, that means this is a channel, so this is B, this is D, this is D, and the top surface is a free surface which is open to atmosphere. So wetted perimeter is the sum of three sides, that is B plus D plus D, that becomes B plus 2D, which is equal to 5 meters. M is equal to A by P, which is 3 by 5, which is 0.6. Bed slope is 4 in 8000, that becomes 1 in 2000. Value of N is given in the question as 0.012. So to find out discharge, we need the Chezy's constant. So to find the Chezy's constant, we use the Manning's formula, that is C is equal to 1 by N into M raised to 1 by 6. Here substitute the values of N and M so that we get C as 76. So substituting C in the equation for Q, we get 3.977 meter cube per second. You can try this problem at home. Thank you.